Oh my god, it looks so good. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another beautiful day in Ontario, Toronto. It's not raining, it's not cold, it's not burning sun. It's a good day. So today we're here with my car because we're gonna talk about my car. I go to all these crazy car shows, I record all the different sports cars, drift cars, every kind of car that looks interesting, I record them for you. However, I wanted to introduce my own car to the channel. This is gonna be built on the channel. If you're interested to see, subscribe. Here it is. It's a blue 2012 G37. Took me a while to find this clean example to buy. I want it to be clean because I drive this everywhere. This is not a project car. I could not buy it wrecked and just park it in my garage and keep working on it. So I had to make sure it's a good example of it. This car has right about 100k on it. Not very old. It's a very good car, very clean, drives amazingly. It has every single package that this car can come with. It has the all-wheel drive, it has the automatic, it has the sport package that gives me those giant brakes and bucket seats. It's amazing. So in terms of why I bought the car, the list I had included 328 BMW, G37 Infiniti, and E350 Mercedes. I know. I mean, there are a bunch of different cars. One is a handling car, one is a boat with a lot of power, one is a mixture of both. That's why I went with this. It's a kind of mix of both. It's a pretty big car, it's very heavy, but it's got the power to push itself, so I like it. And it has potentials. There's a lot of built G37s that you can see on the road, and they all look amazing. This car looks so mean when it's built. What has been done to the car and what is going to be done? What is going to be done? Well, I'm not gonna say it now. You gotta subscribe to the channel to see it. What has been done on the car, because I started my YouTube channel very recently, as you all know, I wasn't really doing, recording every single thing I do before, but this tint was done by me. I took it to the shop, tinted it. I didn't do it myself. When I say done by me, I mean previous owner didn't do it. When I picked up the car, it was bone stock. It did not even have tint on it. Who did that? Because I hated it. I hate driving a car without a tint. It looks like a freaking fishbowl. Like, everyone can see inside your car, everyone can see through your car, everyone can see everything. I don't like that. I want tint because it just gives me a peace of mind that I'm driving my own car. It's my space. And then the next thing I did was not a mod, but it was more like I was trying to get used to the car. So these wheels, they may or may not have some scratches on them. I'm not gonna zoom. Don't wait. I'm not zooming. I'm not gonna show you how I curb my wheels. The third thing, I guess, if you count curbing wheels as the second thing, the third thing would be my exhaust. My exhaust does not sound normal. It is kind of normal for this car to sound so good, but at the same time, it's not the stock exhaust. I had to change it, I had to fix it. I love the way it sounded. It was just way too quiet. So I opened it up a little. We made it flow easier. Now this car sounds good. So since I did not have a channel a couple of weeks ago, when I did the tint and the exhaust, what I did is that I took a couple of clips. I'm gonna put them right in. The tint shop, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is not a sponsored, but they did a great job. So I want to tell you guys, I did it in Audio Heaven. They delivered it in 1 hour. 1 hour. It took them 1 hour to tint the whole car. So thank you so much to Audio Heaven. Here's a clip. What time is it? What time is it?
It's 10 to 7.
You're wrong. It's time for tint. It's time for tint. I send the beast. It's getting tinted and it's actually ready. We're going to pick it up right now with sauce on, my buddy.
Yo.
We're going to pick up the car. It is over there. I keep pointing at it because over there is where the car is at. Here's the car. It's tinted. It's so good. Oh my god, I love it, man. That's why I never drive cars without a tint. This looks so good. Look at it. It's dark. It's black somewhat on the windows, but you should never drive a car without a tint. Look how much different it is. So happy. So now that we're back, the exhaust was another thing I did spontaneously. I was just going to see a friend. They told me there's a shop over there that does pretty decent job, you know, with modifying your exhaust. I went to ask them how much would it cost me to get my exhaust fixed, quote unquote fixed. I was not planning to do anything. I just actually bought this camera like a couple of days before that, and then the guy's like, yeah, put your car on the lift, we'll tell you how much it costs. I was like, the car is a stock, do you know how it looks? No? He's like, no, put it on the lift. So it goes up, and then I'm looking at the car like right there. The guy is saying, I can do it right now for you. I couldn't resist it, okay? I just had to do it. I couldn't wait to have all the clips, everything ready, the whole vlog ready. So I just did it. I told the guy to fix my exhaust. And here's a clip of that day. You know what, not everything has to be planned from before. So we came out just to grab lunch, just to go around, get a couple of prices in order to see how much it's gonna cost me to make the G37 sound a whole lot better. Guess what? We came to a muffler shop. Now we're making it sound better, boys. Just wait for it. It's coming. It's in there. It's getting done right now. So, what the hell is going on with the car now? The car mechanically is amazing, it has no problems, but it doesn't look the way I want it to, okay? Let me explain to you, for example, one of the things that I don't like about my own car. If you come right down here, the car is running on 19 inches wheels, which looks good. They're from NK. I mean, Infiniti did a pretty good job with getting these wheels. However, just look at one thing. Nope, that's not supposed to happen. You're not supposed to be able to put your hood, fit your whole foot in there. Okay, that's way too much wheel gap. Look at my front, it's even worse. Look at this thing, it's wide open. Okay, we gotta take care of that. So now you guys know that's coming to the channel. The car is getting lower. In the winter, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna drive it lower. I might raise it up again. I'm planning to do this as soon as possible. So subscribe to the channel. You can see the videos. I'm not gonna say that again. You already know what you need to do. Other than that, there's more modifications coming. However, these are not modifications. We don't call them modifications in this channel because there's a question that some people in some companies ask you when you call them to get insurance for your car, and they say, are you planning to modify your car? You say, no, I'm not. I'm a good kid. I'm not gonna do it, you know. So what are we gonna call them? They're not modifications. I'm not modifying the car. I'm not adding any more horsepower to the car. We call them, how about specialization? We're gonna make the car special to my taste. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna specialize this car for me. And then I'm gonna record every single car that has been specialized for every single person around Toronto as much as they allow me, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and see you guys later.